But today we descended 700 meters into the depths of the mountain to go kayaking in groundwater. And it is these rickety iron corrugated stairs, and I think there's about 400 or 500 to get down there. And I swear to God, at one point I'm like literally on my hands and knees clawing my way down. I was crossing myself as I was considering how am I going to get back up there. So it seems to be somewhat of a tradition for the blokes that go on stag do's kayaking down there to take off their underwear and hang them up on the wall. So I took them off and I hung them up, and I feel like it was quite a milestone in my trip here. If anyone is ever considering of descending a kilometre into a mountain to go kayaking,